don't put anything in the vagina that you wouldn't want to put in your mouth. Now, that doesn't mean that you should put it in your mouth per se, but everything that goes in the vagina gets absorbed into the body. So if it has chemicals in it, it's getting into your body as much as if you ate it. So things like natural oils, like cooking oils, are used judiciously, can be a very good type of a lubricant. And aloe, which of course you can drink aloe. You can go to the market and buy aloe vera juice and so on, because that's a natural plant. So aloe vera. So those would probably be olive oil, coconut oil, and aloe vera gel would probably be my prime choices. But I'd like to remind people that nature actually creates its own lubricants when women are sexually excited. The nature has all kinds of things so that, because if you think about the animal kingdom, and remember, we are like high up, but we're still part of the animal kingdom. If you look at other mammals, they're not using like artificial lubricants, right? They don't do that, and yet things still work. So when you have the hormones of a normal female and you are sexually excited, you will have a process called transudation, where serum that's in the blood that actually flows to the vagina actually seeps right through the walls of the vagina into the interior lumen of the vagina that acts as a lubricant. And externally, at the opening of the vagina, there are glands that secrete like a mucousy kind of material, like the Bartholin glands and the vestibular glands. So nature actually puts all of this together to create a natural environment that's conducive to having intercourse. Now, a lot of women don't have that because they're on birth control pills. And it's really important to know that birth control pills alter the way all of these tissues respond because you don't have real hormones in your body. So these are things to really consider. So if you're a young reproductive age woman and you're on birth control pills and you find that you don't have really much sexual desire, maybe it's harder to have an orgasm, you don't really get natural lubrication, you're always having to use artificial kinds of methods, then you may want to think twice about your birth control, because it's not allowing your body, and this is making it obvious, that it's not allowing your body to do the things it was really designed to do.